This video presents the operation of a circuit board component dismantling machine designed for electronic waste recycling. Printed circuit boards often contain valuable electronic components mounted on the baseboard through solder connections. In order to recover these components efficiently, controlled separation is required. The dismantling machine uses a high-temperature process to heat the circuit boards under carefully controlled conditions. As the temperature rises, the solder softens and loses its bonding strength. This allows the electronic components to detach from the motherboard without mechanical force. Once separated, the components and the bare circuit boards are discharged independently, making downstream sorting and material recovery more efficient. The process reduces damage to components and minimizes material loss. This thermal dismantling method offers stable operation and separation results. It improves processing efficiency while preparing both components and circuit boards for further recycling or recovery steps.